This is an Elviros memory foam pillow. Oh, here we go. Comes with this little bit of paperwork, but I'm sure you'll be able to figure it out. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the box. It usually takes about 24 hours to fluff out all the way. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to let this thing fluff out all the way, and then we're going to get a closer look at it. It has now been another day and a half, and I've allowed this pillow to firm up and puff up, and firm it is. This is a nice firm pillow. This is basically what I need. I need a pillow where I can place my neck in it right here, and my neck will be supported and firm. Either side. We have the lower side here, and we have the upper side. It's got the cutouts here so that if you want to put your arms around, you can do that. It's got a good feel to it. It's a well-made pillow. Hang on. Let's just... Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How about here? I can tell this would be a really comfortable pillow for me. This company, Elviros, that made this pillow, well, they made a good pillow, and I tell you something, I like it. I like it a lot.